Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, A56 on a stable network and Circle tool installed. First, open Circle and choose Search Mode. This immediately engages the device scan. Next, center the circle on the map where you want results. You can pan or enter coordinates. Then set the radius in meters and pick filters like type, date, or confidence. Doing this now narrows hits and speeds the process because Circle limits scope before querying the index, reducing noise and latency. Once the Circle and basic filters are set, refine the query to get usable results. You should adjust layer filters, for example, date range and confidence percentage, to exclude irrelevant hits. Next, increase Circle precision by snapping to landmarks or entering exact coordinates. This improves match quality. Preview the results list and toggle map pins so you can visually inspect hits without triggering heavy processing. After you verify the preview, execute the full search to retrieve detailed records and linked metadata. To complete the process, review the returned hits and export the selection in CSV or JSON for downstream analysis. Include metadata fields like timestamps and confidence scores. You should cross-check top matches with other tools or a manual review to confirm validity. Once satisfied, save the search preset for reuse. If you get no results, widen the radius slightly or relax the confidence percentage. Make sure the A56 index is synced and permissions remain active. This single troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.